Welcome to IFS Insights and Meditations, a podcast that explores the intersection of internal family systems and faith and spirituality. I'm your host, Tim Fortescue, and today I'm going to lead you in a meditation to help you connect with your internal system and your parts in general. As we begin, I invite you to get settled. And I encourage you to pause this recording as often as you need to if your system needs more time than I allow. And as you settle in, just notice where you are and where your body comes into contact with where you're sitting. It's best to have both feet on the floor if you can. You can close your eyes if you'd like to. But if that's awkward and if you prefer, just let your gaze rest softly in front of you. As you get settled and comfortable, bring your awareness to several of your breaths. With each inhale, feel the spaciousness in your body. With every exhale, let your awareness go deeper into your inner system. Just notice the parts that are arising, those thoughts, feelings, actions, impulses, beliefs. It doesn't have to be that, it could be something else, but just notice what's coming up in your mind and be aware that it's likely a part. Just see if you can welcome whatever's arising if you can. As you deepen, you may find a part that's ready to be known. And if you do invite that part that's most evident into the spaciousness that you've created for it through your breath. And if there is resistance to one particular part coming forward, know that that's likely another part that may need your attention right now. But if you can find a part that is most evident, notice how you feel toward the part. There's no agenda here. If you just need to be with several parts or just need to sit in the spaciousness, just observe and stay curious if you can, welcoming. But if you can feel some degree of embodied self-energy toward a part that you're noticing the most, extend some self-energy to the part, even just a drop of curiosity or compassion if you can. Let the part know that it's welcome. Let it know that it's not alone. Just spend some time getting to know the part you're noticing the most. Where do you notice it in or around your body? How are you aware that the part is there? Maybe it's a tightness in the chest. Maybe it's an image. Maybe it's a color. And if you can just tap into just that drop of curiosity or calmness, extend it again to that part. Just let the part know there's no agenda. You just want to get to know it as much as it would like to share, and you'd like for it to get to know you, if it'd like to. And if parts have some resistance that are witnessing on the sides, let them know that you're aware of them, that they can have a chance too. But for now, if we can focus on this part that is evident the most, you can learn about it, you can learn about you, and they can witness. And they'll have this opportunity to be witnessed too. But for now, if they could just soften back and just be and observe you and this part that you're noticing the most. And ask the part, what does it need? What questions does it have? Does it have any stories to tell you? What do you want to share with it? See if there's anything else If you're sensing that your system needs more time or the part needs more time, pause this recording. Take the time that you need and then come back. And when it feels ready, just thank that part for its courage and anything that it shared with you during this time. See if it liked this, and if it did, and if you'd like to, let it know you'd like to spend more time with it. Maybe let it know when. When it feels right, you can just broaden your perspective and look at the parts on the sides that have been witnessing. Thank them for their courage. Let them know that they're welcome. And if it feels right, let them know that if they would like more time with you, you would like to spend more time with them in the future. When you're ready, you can bring your awareness back to the room where you are. Begin to feel your body where you are in the present moment. You can open your eyes if they were closed. And continue about your day. Thanks for joining me in this meditation, and take good care. Thank you to you and to all your parts for your courage in joining me for this meditation today. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the episode, be sure to subscribe to the podcast and give me a review and share it with others. You can find out more about me and my coaching practice by visiting my website, faithfullygrowing.com. And finally, if you're on Facebook and would like to continue the conversation, I invite you to join me in the Facebook group. And you can do that by visiting faithfullygrowingwithtimfortescue.com. But until we meet again, take care of yourself and stay curious if you can. And if you can't, try to welcome those parts that struggle with being curious too.